What's up mga ka-trends? Here's today's update of the NY couple. Today, on recess activity, Recess Pirban uploaded her cute photos with her daddy. Recess Pirban greeted her one and only king a happy birthday. On Instagram post, Recess Pirban captioned it, "A happy daddy's day. Little Terror loves you mostest ever and ever." As you can see, until now and then, Rosa's spear band was so happy as she grew that her daddy was always there for her and also to their family. Many of her friends commented to the post and greeted Daddy a happy Daddy's Day. As you can see, Rosa's spear band was so happy as she grew that her daddy was always there for her and to their family. Last day on a Dex activity na Dek Gimia is out of town with Bamikyao after work to have some relax to make time to his mommy. Nadek was also busy on his schedule, so this weekend was perfect to go out. Nadek Gimia also greeted his daddy a happy Father's Day. Nadek was also grateful as he was being born to have a daddy like Daddy Yushio.